So many business owners run their businesses without taking proper records, and this slowly holds them back. They lose track of daily sales, forget to record their expenses, run out of stock without getting to notice, and miss important insights that could grow their profits. But organizing your business doesn't have to be complicated. This Google Sheets business tracker helps you manage your entire business in one simple professional template. Everything you need, your sales, your inventory, the expenses, payments, analytics, and much more, all in a single easy to use dashboard. No more juggling multiple notebooks, apps, or messy spreadsheets. In the Sales tab, you can record every transaction with full clarity, keeping your revenue organized day by day. And the Inventory tab helps you monitor your stock levels, track what is available, and know exactly when it is time to restock. You will always stay ahead of shortages and avoid guesswork. The Expenses tab makes it easy to record all your business costs from supplies to services, so you can always know where your money is going. And with the Payments tab, you can keep a clean record of incoming and outgoing payments, helping you to maintain accurate cash flow at all times. The dashboard pulls all your records together and give you a clear overview of your business performance, your revenue, your expenses, the profits, and even return on investment. When you are ready to go deeper, the Analytics tab shows product trends, the growth patterns, and performance insights that help you make smarter decisions. Inside the Settings tab, you can restore formulas, set your preferred currency, adjust essential controls, and make sure every part of your tracker works smoothly. It is your control center for keeping everything accurate and fully customizable. And if you ever want to learn more, there are full tutorial videos available for each of these tabs. Whenever you are ready, you can watch a step-by-step guide and easily understand how every section of the tracker works. So, instead of running your business with scattered notes and incomplete records, start managing it the smart way. Make your copy of this Google Sheets business tracker today and take full control of your sales, expenses, inventory, and profits, all organized in one place. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope it gave you the clarity you need to start organizing your business the right way. If you found this valuable, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. And of course, your free Google Sheets business tracker is linked below. Make your copy and start managing your business with confidence today.